This is a very short video. Listen to it completely, you may find it useful at some point. Or you may get some understanding. Hey friend, if you want to know such health news from time to time, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon gently. Also hit a like. If the video wants to reach many more people, it will happen with the like you hit. Listen.
Parijat Flower Face Pack for Spotless Skin. Many people want glowing clear skin without spots. Expensive creams and chemical products sometimes harm the skin. A simple face pack made at home with Parijat flowers can be a natural option. About Parijat flower. Parijat is commonly used for prayers and decoration. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. These help clean the skin deeply and make it brighter. Dirt and dead skin cells are removed so the face looks naturally glowing. Mild pimples and pigmentation may also improve. How to prepare the face pack? Wash fresh Parijat flowers cleanly. Grind them into a soft paste. Add a little rose water or curd if needed for easy application. Apply the paste evenly on face and neck. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. Wash off with lukewarm water. Benefits: antiseptic properties reduce bacteria and help with pimples and acne. Using once a week cleans pores and reduces blackheads. It gives natural glow to the skin. Adjustments for skin type. For oily skin, add a few drops of lemon juice. For dry skin, mix honey or curd. It is generally suitable for all skin types. Precautions. Do a patch test on the inner arm before first use. Avoid if you have allergy. Keep away from eyes. Use only once or twice a week. Results vary from person to person. Consult a dermatologist for serious skin issues.